Bury the bone. Funkadelicinist philosopher George Clinton. What is the answer to the question? Does it lie somewhere in man's psyche? Is it an innate nature thing? Can it be answered with just the way it is? Or be's that way sometimes? Or let a man be a man. Bury the bone. Bow wow, yippee yippee yay. Relax, down boy. Roof, roof. Was George Clinton the truth sayer of the time? Is what he say true? He say, why must I be like that? Why must I chase the cat? Must be the dog in me. Brilliant, George. Bury the bone. Lift up from the dirt. Feel the sun as it soothes the clarity of your vision. Reflect the heat as gentle rays of hope and simplicity of the life. Bury the bone.